How you sleep, it's not just a habit. It literally decides how your brain flushes out toxins all night, how efficiently your heart pumps blood, and whether your spine stays strong over time or slowly starts filing complaints. Whether you flop onto the bed like a crime scene outline or curl up into a tiny cinnamon roll, your body's saying something. And today, we're decoding that message. 1. Fetal position. I just want to feel safe. About 40% of people naturally crash in the fetal position. Knees tucked up, head slightly down. It's so natural you probably tried it for the first time in the womb. There's a primal comfort to it. Your body protects the vital stuff, heart, lungs, soft belly. You conserve heat. From an evolutionary standpoint, elite survival mode. But if you curl up too tight, chin glued to chest, knees almost in your face, your diaphragm gets compressed. Your lungs can't fully expand. So you spend the night taking shallow breaths. Ever wake up feeling like you ran a marathon in your dreams? Yeah, that. And your joints? 8 hours in tight ball mode puts unnecessary stress on hips and knees. Good news? Easy fix. Don't be a tight little stressed shrimp. Be a chill, loose shrimp. Stretch the legs a bit. Throw a pillow between your knees. Boom. You've just upgraded from survival mode to orthopedic genius. Bonus, if you snore or you're pregnant, side sleeping is gold. Being on your side keeps your tongue from blocking your airway. 2. Log position. I sleep with discipline. On your side, arms straight down, legs straight like a human 2x4. It looks stiff, but this one has a low-key superpower. When you sleep, your brain actually shrinks a little, so cerebrospinal fluid can wash out waste proteins, including beta amyloid, which is linked to Alzheimer's. Research suggests side sleeping supports that cleaning process. Translation: your brain is literally running a detox program overnight, but gravity always charges rent. One shoulder carries most of the weight. Circulation can get compressed. Ever wake up and your arm feels like it belongs to someone else? That's nerve compression saying, "What's up?" And your face? Press it into a pillow 2,500 hours a year, and those cute sleep lines can turn into permanent wrinkles. Just saying. Yearner, I need a little more space. Still on your side, but your arms are stretched forward like you're reaching for something in your dream. Your chest stays a bit more open. Shoulder pressure shifts. You still get the brain cleaning and airway benefits of side sleeping. But stretching your arms forward can put tension on the nerve network from your neck to your arm, the brachial plexus. Wake up with numb fingers? Congrats, you've paid the yearner tax. And here's the big one. Which side are you on? Your stomach curves to the left. If you sleep on your right side, gravity can push acid toward your esophagus. Hello, heartburn. Left side, acid stays down where it belongs. If you deal with reflux, left side is your silent MVP. 4. Soldier. Alignment mode activated. Flat on your back, arms at your sides, like your body hit system reboot. For your spine, chef's kiss. Head, neck, and spine stay in neutral alignment. Your face is free, no pillow smush, fewer wrinkles. But for your airway, this can be enemy number 1. Gravity pulls your jaw and tongue backward. Result? Snoring unlocked. If someone has sleep apnea, this position can be risky. But if you've got back pain and solid breathing, soldier pose is basically the orthopedic gold standard. 5. Starfish. This bed is mine. On your back, arms up, legs spread like you pay the rent. Rare, only about 5% of people sleep like this. Arms up can open the chest. Some folks with shoulder pain actually feel relief. And here's a cool bonus. Better heat dissipation. More surface area exposed means your body cools down easier. But arms overhead can compress the ulnar nerve. If your pinky and ring finger wake up numb, that's the classic sign. And yeah, this position fully unlocks snoring DLC. 6. Free fall. Face down rebel. Sleeping on your stomach, face buried in the pillow, head cranked 90 degrees to the side. From a spine perspective, this is chaos. Your neck stays twisted for 8 hours. Your lower back overarches. That creates torque and long-term strain. So why do people do it? Because it feels protective. And it almost eliminates snoring. Gravity keeps your tongue from blocking your airway. But the price tag? Neck pain, lower back pain, maximum face wrinkles. So who wins? Here's the truth. Your body's smart. It usually picks whatever reduces immediate discomfort, but awareness gives you an edge. Back sleeper who snores? Try the tennis ball trick. Attach one to the back of your shirt so you roll onto your side. Stomach sleeper with neck pain? Ditch the thick pillow to flatten alignment. Side sleeper with lower back pain? Pillow between the knees. Game changer. Sleep isn't passive, it's performance mode. You spend a third of your life doing it. Might as well do it smart. So be honest, who are you? Loose shrimp, rigid soldier, or chaotic starfish taking up 90% of the bed while your partner clings to the edge in survival mode? We talked mechanics. Now let's talk quality. 1. Why do you move all night? If you don't stay in one position and keep rolling around, that doesn't mean you're a restless person. Usually it means your body is trying to escape pressure points. Every 60 to 90 minutes, we shift sleep cycles: deep sleep, light sleep, REM. During transitions, micro movements happen. That's healthy. It becomes a problem when movement turns into survival mode. If you're changing positions every 10 to 15 minutes or waking up multiple times a night, your mattress, pillow, or stress levels might be keeping you from settling. 2. Pillow. Underrated hero or silent villain? Be honest. When's the last time you replaced your pillow? A pillow's job isn't just to feel soft, it's to keep your neck in neutral alignment. Side sleeper? You need a thicker pillow to fill the gap between head and shoulder. Back sleeper? Medium height. Stomach sleeper? Super thin or none at all. Wrong pillow equals guaranteed morning drama. 3. Temperature. The most underrated factor. Your body naturally cools down at night. That drop in temperature helps you sleep deeper. If you're starfishing because you're overheating, posture might not be the issue. Your room temp might be. Ideal sleep temp is roughly 60 to 68 degrees Fahrenheit, 16 to 20 degrees Celsius. If you run hot at night, ditch heavy blankets. Use breathable sheets. Your body likes it slightly cool, not sauna vibes. 4. Snoring. Not just annoying, it's a signal. If you're a soldier or starfish and you snore, that's not just a sound effect. It means your airway is partially collapsing. If snoring comes with gasping, choking, or extreme daytime exhaustion, sleep apnea could be in play. Sleep quality greater than sleep quantity. 8 hours in bed is not the same as 8 hours of restorative sleep. 5. The morning test. When you wake up, run this quick check. Do you feel refreshed? Is your body stiff? Is one shoulder or hip sore? Is your mouth dry? Your morning state is basically your sleep posture report card. Here's the big truth. There is no perfect position. There is perfect alignment. The goal isn't to freeze in one pose like a statue. The goal is in neutral spine, open airway, and evenly distributed pressure. Your body already sends signals. You just have to start listening. So tonight, when you get into bed, just observe. Which side do you naturally roll to? Where do you feel discomfort? Could one small pillow tweak change the whole game? Don't sleep on your sleep. It's repair mode. It's brain detox. It's emotional reset. And if you haven't taken your sleep seriously yet, maybe it's time. So honestly, what's tonight's experiment?